Hey everybody, we're here at Jack Sizemore's RV Museum and I want to take a look at the 1955 Airstream. So this has a lot of the classic features, you know, the shininess, the rounded exterior, but what's different about it is it doesn't have those distinctive Airstream round cornered windows. Let's go to the back and take a look at the kind of flared shape that it has. In today's Airstream trailers, we see the roundness kind of carry on around, where this one kind of comes down and gets blunt. So, you know, I'm not sure what year they started to change that, but this is a unique unit. So anyways, let's go take a look inside because there's lots of special things about it. So in classic Airstream style, rounded, and you know, it doesn't have a dinette because that seems quite common, but it has this big couch area. I'm not sure if this particular couch made into a bed or not. These are original curtains, so that's kind of cool. So let's go take a look at the kitchen. It's a really quite a unique kitchen. A little bit of countertop space. We've got this really wonderful original 4-burner gas stove and oven. Gotta love that. Then we've got 2 sinks, lots of storage. I mean, stuff up here, stuff down there. I mean, there's good storage here. We've got some countertop space, and what I think is really cool is a nice bank of drawers here with a cool cutting board. Gotta love that. And then we've got over here even more storage. And you know what? I think we should get an Airstream. I can reach everything. Hey, you notice that? It's really easy. But check out this fridge. It's huge. It's residential. It's the original fridge to this unit, and the fridge, stove, and bathroom have never been used. I don't know, when you buy a trailer, why you don't use any of this stuff, but they didn't. So these things are like brand new. And if we come down here further into the kitchen, there's this really cool little spot. So you've got some countertop space, you've got more storage, more drawers. It's the perfect spot. In today's world, we'd have, you know, our coffee maker in there or some wine or things like that. Like, it's really nice. So moving back, this is all a closet. Like, this is a ton of storage in here. And when you get on this side, I'll open it up for you. This is all bathroom. Bathroom that's never been used, but a very cool bathroom at that. When you come on back, you get to the single beds. Now remember, these comforters that are on here are the original. There's storage again, storage, and these really very nice curved mattresses for sleeping on. I think it's wonderful. I just want to show you how much actual storage and closet space is in this trailer. There's actually 2 doors. And then I'm going to show you on this side. Remember, never used this bathroom. So that wraps up the 1955 Airstream. There's just not much more to say. You gotta love an Airstream. They are not that different today than they were in 1955. They've got lots of storage. They're round, they're silver, they don't have slides today. They're just wonderful. They were wonderful in 1955 and they're wonderful today. So if you have enjoyed this tour of the 1955 Airstream, then please hit the subscribe button so we can show you a whole bunch more. Gotta love an Airstream.
Hey, watch your head.
Oh, yeah.
Oh boy, don't get to say that very often.
No, we don't.
Huh.
Hey, watch your head, Camilla.
Longer.
You are. And the back. I don't want to knock a sign down on one of these trees.